How to activate Zopa credit card. In order to activate Zopa credit card, just simply open your device and open any of the browser that you use. In there, search for Zopa credit card, then open this first link of zopa.com. Now, in order to activate a credit card, you have to apply for it very first. You can check all of the requirements to apply for Zopa credit card in this page, and if you are eligible to apply, you can apply and get the credit card by tapping into this apply online section, and then you need to fill out a form in order to apply for the credit card from here. Just simply fill out all of these details. But if you already have a Zopa credit card but you want to activate it, you just simply need to tap into this head and shoulders icon, and then you need to log into your Zopa account which is associated to the credit card that you have. In order to do that, simply enter your email at first and then enter your password in second. Then tap to sign in securely, and after doing this very easy step, your Zopa credit card will be activated. I hope this video was informative to you. If yes, don't forget to hit that subscribe button.